Unlock says, hey, all computer geeks. Oh yeah, I remember this. This is a person that offended me. I was so angry. Is there any app or software that allow you to access BIOS menu from OS level? Should I look further into this, or is it absolutely impossible? Yeah, no. No, but you can boot into BIOS by changing your settings in the operating system, but typically it doesn't allow you to move over to the commercial side, which we call ILAM. Lights out management. It is a way of monitoring devices remotely by essentially gaining access to the unit while it's turned off. While it's turned to the unit regardless if it's off or on. It also allows you to power on the unit and make changes to the settings. What is it called? What does the I stand for? I think it's integrated. ILAM definition. Integrated lifestyle management? Integrated. Yeah, okay. I had it. Integrated. I didn't want to be a headline and be like, oh yeah, it's for international. No, it's integrated. I had a feeling it was integrated. It also allows you to power on the unit and make changes to the settings, etc. Okay, so yeah, say it like that. Back, hey my man, don't motherboards come with software that lets you have BIOS access, or is it limited? Okay, so yes, there are certain motherboards that do have software that allow you to make changes to the BIOS, but typically what you'll find, which is the exact same thing that you find in the Ryzen Master software, that once you make those particular changes, if they're changes to the operating system itself, it'll force you to reboot in order for the actual changes to apply. So you do, but you don't. He wanted access to just straight BIOS. Is there app or software that allow you to access the BIOS menu from the OS level? Yeah, he wants to access like the straight up menus. And I was just like, no, the motherboard software, some of it can get you some options there, but it won't be like the menus, like in BIOS where you can just kind of click. He wants almost like a virtualized BIOS menu. But I mean, we can let him know though. I mean, I'm down for that. Let's just let him know. That way he has an idea. You can also try the software for the motherboard to see if that can get you what you are after. Just look up the most up-to-date software on the site and see if that works out for you. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of an iffy one. Like, I've seen some of them that actually do give you options, but it's never options. Like, for example, you're not going to be changing XMP profiles. You're not going to be changing like SATA ports, like if it's up or down, or changing it from HDSI to RAID. You're not going to be changing boot priority, stuff like that. It won't let you do anything like that. So I've never run into software that lets you make those kind of changes. But if you wanted to make changes to like sound or, you know, something like that, or like if the port is like turned on or off, something like that. So yeah, it's usually pretty limited, but you know, I mean, we can put it down there, see what happens. I mean, it can't hurt. So yeah, it's usually pretty limited depending on the situation. But hey, I take all ideas here just to try to help out my man on luck. But yeah, keep us posted, bro. I hope that should be enough information to help you out, bro.